Hello, hello. My name is Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish, where I share with you 2-minute tips to help you cook better food in your kitchen. So something that's been coming up a lot for me lately, I've had lots of conversations and questions on our knives and what are the knives that you need in your kitchen. So today I want to quickly go over the 3 essential knives that you need in your kitchen that will get you through pretty much every task that you need in the kitchen. So the first one, the one that is essential, absolute must have, is your chef's knife. And the chef's knife is usually a 6 to 10 inch long knife that you'll go to again and again. This is what you'll use for chopping and slicing and dicing and all of those different tasks that you need in the kitchen for cutting up chicken or vegetables or whatever it is that you are making in the kitchen. Your chef's knife is the one that you will use the most. So you want to make sure that you invest in getting one that's really, really comfortable for you and that feels really good in your hand. It should feel like an extension of your arm so that you can be able to work really quickly with it and accurately so that you can avoid injuries in the kitchen. The second knife that is an essential to have around is a paring knife or utility knife. And this is a much smaller blade. It might be 2 to 4 inches long. And this is the type of a knife that you would use for precision work, things where you need to really focus on the detail. So if you were trying to hull the tops out of strawberries, or you're trying to peel a vegetable or mince garlic, that's what you would use the paring knife for. And the final one that you want to have in your kitchen is your serrated edge knife. And this is usually, I would go with a longer version for this knife. This is the knife that has the jagged teeth on the blade, and what this helps you do is be able to grip into the outside of things that have waxy textures or that have textures that are different on the inside than the outside. So things like tomatoes or bread, this will help you to cut into those without your blade sliding around or you crushing your tomatoes or your bread when you're trying to cut into them. So those are the 3 essential knives you want to have in your kitchen: your chef's knife, your paring knife, and your serrated edge knife, and that will get you through pretty much every single task in the kitchen. Thanks, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.